The 1878 solar eclipse, a significant event in scientific knowledge, illuminated North America, captivated scientists and the public, highlighting the sun corona and solar phenomena. The 1982 lunar eclipse, visible on July 6, provided astronomers with insight in the Earth-Moon-Sun system and the behavior of Earth atmosphere. The Great Comet of 1882, also known as C 1882 R1, was a significant event in 19th century astronomy, allowing researchers to study comet composition and behavior. In 1910, Halley's Comet returned, captivating observers worldwide and advancing scientific knowledge by revealing celestial phenomena and contributing to our understanding of the cosmos. The 1966 Leonid meteor shower showcased thousands of shooting stars, providing valuable data on meteoroid stream and Earth's atmosphere interaction and contribution to our understanding of celestial dynamic and space debris. The 1913 meteoric procession was a remarkable celestial event, captivating observers worldwide and providing astronomers with unique opportunities to study meteor shower and their potential Earth impact. The 1989 Northern Lights, a stunning auroral display of green-purple hues, significantly advanced our understanding of space weather, revealing potential distribution to technological system. In 1883, crimson and purple hues were painted on the sky during twilight, creating a vivid atmospheric phenomenon and influencing global climate and weather pattern. In 1604, Kepler's supernova explosion challenged Aristotelian heaven's view, demonstrating changeability in celestial realm and advising astronomy by revealing intense light bursts. Planetary conjunctions involve celestial bodies aligning in night sky, allowing astronomers to study celestial mechanics, orbits, and gravitational interaction, advancing astronomical understanding.
Now, let's move on to atmospheric events. First, Mayon, also known as Mount Mayon and Mayon volcano. It is an active stratovolcano in the province of Albay in Bicol, Philippines, a popular tourist spot. It is renowned for its perfect cone because of its symmetric conical shape and is regarded as scared in the Philippine mythology. It erupted last 2018. Luckily, there's no direct casualties despite of the danger of the volcano. Tourists would still choose to visit the place just to saw the beauty of the said volcano. Now next is Typhoon Haiyan, known in the Philippines as Super Typhoon Yolanda, was one of the most powerful tropical cyclones ever recorded. Next, in September 2017, the inhabitants of the Bahamas were surprised when they saw that the ocean in front of them had suddenly disappeared. All that remained was kilometers of dry seabed as far as the eye could see. The reasons behind this strange event was a Hurricane Irma, one of the most powerful hurricanes ever recorded. In the eye or the center of the storm, the atmospheric pressure was so low that the hurricane worked like a vacuum cleaner over the ocean. Next, supervolts were first detected in the 1970s when satellites in orbit recorded big electric discharges on the Pacific Oceans. Supervolts are kind of lightning that originates in storms with positive electric charges. Next, the biggest meteor tsunami ever recorded occurred in 1929 in the state of Michigan. It was 6 meters or 20 feet tall and killed 10 people. In July 2018, a meteor tsunami of 1.5 meters or 5 feet high hit the coast of Mallorca, off the coast of Spain. The next one is Typhoon Nina, caused one of the most destructive floods in the history of China. Due to its extreme rainfall over a 3-day period, more than 1 million hectares or 2.5 million acres of farmland throughout 29 countries and municipalities in southern Henan province were severely affected. There was extensive property and crop damages, with famine and disease in the post-flood period resulting in approximately 100,000 of the fatalities. Next, the cloud flash. The dancing light seen in the sky is actually a phenomenon known as a ground flash. Ground flashes are similar to another type of skylight called sundog, the results of ice crystals in the air refracting sunlight, but unlike sundogs, ground flashes are dynamic lights which rotate and change their shape constantly. When the lightning disturbs the electric field between the clouds, floating ice crystals realign with each discharges. As these crystals work as a lens that refracts sunlight, each time the crystals rotate, the beam of light also spins and moves, resulting in a ground flash. Next one is in July 2001. Red rain fell on Kerala in India after locals reported having witnessed a meteor airburst in the sky. So in the first place, were those rains actually made of blood? Well, to date, it remains uncertain, but findings suggest that there are correlations between such rains and living beings. Studies based on a sample of the red rain from Kerala show that the liquid contained traces of DNA. In turn, two scientists who participated in the research concluded that the total rain that fell in that time contained about 50 metric tons of biological cells. The next one is megacryometeors, are huge ice stones with the same chemical composition as hail, although they are different from the latter. Megacryometeors can weigh hundreds of kilograms like an ice block of 200 kilograms that fell in Brazil. No storm in the world can create such large hailstones. Next, Typhoon Rai, known in the Philippines as the Super Typhoon Odette, was a deadly and extremely destructive super typhoon, which was the second costliest typhoon in the Philippines' history behind Typhoon Haiyan in 2013. Rai was a powerful rare tropical cyclone that struck the Philippines in December 2021. Reflection. Atmospheric events from gentle rains to violent hurricanes are the molding forces in our environment and life. These phenomena portray how dynamic our planet's climate system is, reflecting the result of the complex interplay between temperature, pressure, and moisture. One really feels from the inside how powerful nature is when watching the next thunderstorm develop. It draws attention to both the beauty and unpredictability of nature, as opposed to the power of nature, the human structures that are destroyed by a hurricane or tornado, shows the fragility of man-made construction against the nature's forces. These events are just respect and encourage the study of the atmosphere to rise meteorology and climate science to a higher level.